All right, diving into one of the looks that were the top look. We do this every 60 days. So the beginning of the 60 days, there were a lot of dresses, which is some are in here, which we'll be listing, but it was definitely October, and October is high on the wedding side. So there was a lot of dresses, and you will be seeing a couple of them later. So I did see that. So, oh, okay, this is very high. So then when we got closer to the end of the month, going in now, it's November, the very beginning of November, it was a huge shift. It's very interesting to just kind of just watch people's behaviors and where the style goes so abruptly. So here is the style that really just abruptly changed when it came to our alpha report. And I said, whoa, this was just such a huge shift. So I said, I like this though. It really just is a testament to who my audience is and how much things don't really change, whether it's online or offline, and how much I shift my business structure behind the scenes. But here is the style. I really want to summarize this style as just it's the epitome of MIIEN's audience style. I mean that because we we really just gravitate to a lot of people who are within like the 30 to 45 range. Not saying that 25 is not in there, but 30 to 45, and they really have an extension outside themselves, outside of the personal field. They do the content. So the blazer and the jean type of aesthetic, and you see how her shoes were playful, which is something you cannot wear during the office. Well, it won't be looked upon positively in the corporate type of setting, but this look is just the epitome of our companies, of our brands looks. Of course, it could be a little bit more fashion forward, but just like the baseline of it, I just feel like that is the summary that I would say what this look is. Now, why does this work? This look works because it just can never go out of style. It's very compatible with a lot of things. And the blazer. The blazer just goes with so many things, whether you want to dress it up, dress it down, whether you want to wear a t-shirt underneath of it, if you want to throw it on before you go on a Zoom call, if you want to take it off and rock the shirt underneath of it, the pants, which she played it down. You can switch that out and put on a skirt, put on a knit dress. There's just so many ways that you could play around with this aesthetic, but this baseline is just what our audience and our demographic really caters to, because once they are done with the stuffy environments of the corporate worlds, they are able to kind of just alter their look so that their personal brand can really excel outwards. All right. Now, this looks versatility. Can you wear this to work or personal? Depending on what you do, I do not know what you do. And also, a lot of companies' dress codes are changing. It's not changing drastically, but depending on what you do, definitely does play a big part of it all. I'm gonna have to say it is definitely more so personal. Just the aesthetic of the shoes and also the pants. If your job had like a dress down day, I think this would be acceptable, but more so, I would frame this as a more as personal. All right, so my styling notes. What would I do with this? I've been into brooches a lot, so a good brooch would definitely do something cute, Like a couple of cute brooches would be really good. But for this look, particularly, I would say a nice MIIEN bag. Whether it's a clutch or it's just a nice big tote statement bag, would definitely do this look some wonders. I would honestly grab like a big bag that's this color right here, like this magenta type of color, or even if you want to do the popular wine color, this would look really good with this as well. All right, so hope that was helpful. You know what, I also wanted to show you guys, look at that, look at that. So I wanted to show you guys the analytics behind this particular look. So this is the impressions that it has, the pin clicks, and then the amount of saves. Since this was posted maybe like a month ago, this is how much traction it is getting. It has definitely rose to the top from what was really, really popular before. And shout out to the people who have added this look to their boards. Okay, I definitely want to showcase that. Shout out to y'all. Keep coming back to MIIEN Consultancy's Pinterest, and y'all follow too. So let's move on to the next looks.